Hello friends. Today, we're making juicy patties with vegetables. Grab 2 fresh eggs, the stars of our recipe. Let's make a special egg mixture to keep our meat patties perfectly tender. Add a pinch of salt to enhance the flavors. Sprinkle in some freshly ground black pepper for a subtle kick. Mix everything thoroughly until smooth. Hi, I'm Isabel. So happy to have you here on my channel. Today, I'm using about 1 pound, 500 grams, of ground chicken. Add half of the egg mixture to help the patties hold their shape. Crush 2 garlic cloves using a garlic press. This releases their full aroma. Chop 1 red onion finely. It will blend perfectly with the meat. Add the chopped onion to the meat mixture. Stir in 2 tablespoons of breadcrumbs to help bind everything together. Finely chop fresh parsley for a fragrant, herbal touch. Add the chopped parsley to the meat. Sprinkle a pinch of salt for taste. Add a touch of freshly ground black pepper for aroma. Mix thoroughly until the mixture is uniform and ready for shaping. Let the meat mixture rest for a while to absorb all the flavors. Today, we'll make tender mashed potatoes as a side dish. Take 45 medium potatoes, perfect for creamy mash. Pour water over the potatoes and add a pinch of salt. Chop 1 medium onion finely. It will caramelize beautifully. Add a bit of vegetable and butter to a pan. Butter adds richness, oil prevents sticking. We're preparing a fragrant vegetable topping for our patties. The butter sizzles in the pan like it's gossiping about fresh news. Add the chopped onion to the heated pan. While the onion cooks, grate 1 large carrot. Carrots add sweetness and color. Add the grated carrot to the pan and stir gently. Finely mince 2 garlic cloves to boost aroma. Add the minced garlic to the pan and stir thoroughly. Chop 1 red bell pepper into small pieces. Friends, drop a comment telling me where you're watching from. Add the chopped pepper to the pan and stir. Sprinkle a pinch of marjoram for fragrance and mix well. Shape large patties ready for the oven. Follow along, it's super easy. Top the patties with the sautéed vegetables. This will make the patties extra juicy and flavorful. Place the vegetables in small indentations on the patties. Grate 100 grams, 3.5 ounces, of hard cheese. We're preparing the top layer for our dish. A fragrant mix of cheese, herbs, and eggs will cover the vegetables. Finely chop fresh parsley. Add fresh parsley to the grated cheese for a bright, fresh flavor. Pour in the prepared egg mixture. Add 3 tablespoons of sour cream and mix gently until smooth. Greek yogurt works perfectly instead of sour cream. This keeps the dish lighter but just as tasty. Spread this mixture over the vegetables on the patties. Bake in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 minutes. Let's treat ourselves with a fresh Greek salad today too. Chop 1 ripe tomato. Chop a sweet pepper. I chose a bright orange one today. Add the chopped pepper to the tomatoes and mix gently. Add a mix of greens for the Greek salad. Cut 100 grams, 3.5 ounces, of feta cheese into large cubes. Add a few favorite olives for extra flavor. Sprinkle a pinch of salt to taste. In olive oil, add 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. Add a little honey for mild sweetness and mix well. Drizzle the dressing over the salad and mix gently. Potatoes are cooked. Add butter for creaminess. Pour in half a cup of milk and start mashing to a smooth consistency. Our patties are ready. Place them on a plate. We've prepared a delicious and balanced meal with vegetables. Serve with mashed potatoes and fresh Greek salad. The meal is fully ready, nutritious and tasty. The patties are incredibly juicy and appetizing. I can't wait to taste them. If you enjoyed this recipe, share it on social media to delight your friends with tasty ideas. Thank you for watching till the end. Don't forget to hit like. Enjoy your meal and have a wonderful time at the table. By the way, the salad turned out amazing, fresh, bright, and delicious.